Recently on the channel, we made a video about the benefits of cucumber. Have you watched it yet? But today we will talk about Japanese cucumber. This vegetable is rich in water, minerals, and antioxidants. It hydrates the body and keeps the intestines working. Besides the pulp, the skin and seeds are edible and are rich in fiber and beta-carotene. They all contribute to eye, skin, and hair health. Cucumbers also help with weight loss, contribute to intestinal transit, keep the body hydrated, improves skin, nail, eyes, and hair health, helps with blood circulation, and prevents cancer. Amazing, isn't it? But did you know that cucumbers also help treat arthritis and arthrosis? That's right, this vegetable helps with bone health and inflammatory processes, thanks to vitamin K and calcium. And if that isn't enough, according to some scientific tests, the Japanese cucumber can also be used to treat moderate osteoarthritis. How incredible is that? Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. After learning about all these benefits, you must be wondering some of the ways of consuming Japanese cucumber, right? So we will teach you a simple recipe that takes ingredients that are easy to find. Write down the ingredients. 1 cucumber, 1 glass water, 8 ounces or more if you want, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 sliced pineapple. Blend everything in a blender and drink right after. Don't strain nor sweeten the juice. Sugar, honey, or aspartame can hinder the efficacy of this juice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.